When I post, some people in my comments ask, why do you always talk about Black health? They'll go on to ask more questions like, don't these things happen to everyone? Health problems, don't discriminate. Why single out one group? And here's the most popular comment that I get. This isn't just a Black issue, it's a human issue. And so my answer is yes, illness and struggle can affect anyone, but our stories reveal patterns that cannot be ignored. I talk about the present, like how Black mothers are 3 to 4 times more likely to die from pregnancy-related causes than white mothers, or how Black patients in the emergency room are 40% less likely to receive pain medication for the same conditions. Then I talk about the past, from Holmesburg prison experiments where up to 90% of inmates, most of them Black, were used as human test subjects, to Henrietta Lacks, a Black woman whose cells were taken without consent in 1951 and became the foundation of everything from the polio vaccine to cancer treatments. And then I also talk about our brilliance, pioneers like Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler, the first Black woman physician in the United States, or Vivian Thomas, a surgical technician whose groundbreaking work made modern heart surgery possible, even though he was never granted a medical degree. And his techniques still save children's lives today. Now, this isn't about saying suffering is ours alone. It's about saying our history and our present cannot be ignored, because they hold lessons that can change the future. I tell these stories so that we can name injustice, understand how it shaped us, and also see the power we carry in healing ourselves and each other. Because healing starts with knowing where we've been, knowing what we face, and knowing who we are. And with that knowledge, we can build a future that looks nothing like our past. Now, we just passed 150,000 followers, but more than the number, I'm grateful for the community we're building here. Every share, every comment, and every conversation is helping spread knowledge that heals. So I want to thank you for being part of it. And as always, healing starts with knowing. Follow for more.